You want to drive it aggressively, guy, whenever time you're doing a test, you know what I mean? Make sure everything good, no hose not leaking or nothing like that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm working on a 2006 BMW 330xi. We're going to replace the radiator because we have a radiator leaks going on. You know what I mean? So I ordered a new one off Amazon. So I have it right here. I'm going to show you guys that, and I'm going to show you guys where we're leaking the coolant and stuff like that, alright? So let's get started, guys. Okay, guys, so this is where we're leaking the coolant. Right here. This is where it crack. This is on the radiator itself. This is where the radiator hose connected. So we're gonna have to remove this hose and all of that, and remove the fan. I already go ahead and remove the gearbox, guys, because this is easy, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we're leaking a bunch of coolant, as you guys can see, going down on the radiator right here, and it's dripping on the ground and stuff like that. So yeah. So we want to go ahead, take this hose off, unplug the fan right here, and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this hose right here, guys. But before we do that, we're gonna cut the reservoir tank and make sure we don't have a bunch of pressure in there and stuff like that. So it's free, so it's good to go. Alright. Yep, so you can go ahead and set this off right here. Just squeeze down, slide this little tab right here. Use a pick tool and just pull up this. Just like that. Then you just rock it off. Just like that, guys. Alright, let me set a drain pan on there to catch all of these coolant. Hey guys, right here, to unplug this, you just go ahead and squeeze up these two tabs at the side right here and just pull it off. Two tabs right here. Yeah. So then we're gonna go ahead and remove this coolant hose right here. Find up this clip right here, just get a pick tool, push it in here, and pull it up. Alright. It's good to use some silicone spray and spray these hoses before you pull them off. Sometimes they can be stuck on there real hard. So you can just get a spray like this, guys. Just spray these places. Yeah. I have another one over this side here. Down there, that's gonna be the hardest one. You guys can see that down there. Go ahead and unplug this wire right here. That's for the temperature sensor right here. Just go ahead and push in that. Okay, guys, so now I'm underneath the bottom of the car, guys. As you guys can see, this is where we have leaks going on. You know what I mean? Yeah, bunch of leaks, guys. So we're gonna have to remove this from the fan right here. This 10 bolt right here. Gonna have to pull that. Yes, guys, so we have the coolant draining down there. So we're just gonna go ahead now and remove this upper coolant hose from here. You wanna make sure you spray it with some silicone spray, guys, because this thing can be really tight on there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, guys, so I go ahead and take it off. This upper radiator hose right here. You just make sure you spray the silicone spray on it because it was hard to come off, guys. And just rock it and pull it. You know what I mean? So it's off. So now I'm just gonna tie this box up. Do something and tie it back this way. We just wanna get room in here, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, so getting closer and closer, guys. So this wire right here, they put a tie strap right here. So you just go ahead and cut that tie strap. We can put a new tie strap in that and strap it right here. You guys can really see that right here. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and slide out the fan. To slide out the fan, guys, just two clip right here. You know what I mean? It's easy, see there? Ready to come up over the next side here. Let me show you guys this clip over here. This clip right here, you just pull it out like this. Just pull it out with your finger. Like this, just pull it to the back of the car. And it's gonna release. And then I can just slide up the fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's do that, guys. Okay guys, so this hose right here is giving me a hard time. Like, it's hard to come off, guys. You know what I mean? I would recommend whenever time you're gonna do this job, just buy some new hose, so you can always just, if you get messed up or whatever, it's no big deal. You know what I mean? But we don't have a new hose, so I have to be taking my time. You don't want to break it, you know what I mean? Don't want to break the hose. So it's not coming off here. So I was thinking about taking it off right here from the thermostat. You know what I mean? Let me show you guys that. The one here on the ground now. Okay guys, so I have the radiator on the ground now, so we're gonna try to see if we can get this hose off now. Can feel it's coming, guys. See that? Get it off pretty easy now, guys. It's just the angle what it was in the car, so that's why it's hard to come off like that. Suppose it's dirty, I'm gonna have to clean it up a little bit. Alright, so guys, we're gonna go ahead now and reinstall everything. This hose and the new radiator. Get the new radiator over here and stuff like that. Okay guys, so this is the new radiator right here. Brand new. So you take off these clips off of the old radiator, because you're gonna need to install them back in here. So you can install it, you just go ahead and slide it in here. Here, so slide it in just like that. Lock it on, okay? Just like that, guys. The rest of it. Next one over this side, do the same thing. Lock it on just like that, guys. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and install back the hose on this side here. So I put some grease and stuff in it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So go ahead and install that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the new radiator now. Have the hose reconnect and stuff like that. I don't really like how this hose looks, so maybe we're gonna put a new one on it and stuff like that, but not tonight. You know. So what I want to look for, guys, when you're gonna install it, make sure you move this transmission coolant line right here. Make sure you put that to the side, because that will dig in a radiator, you know what I mean? I don't want that to happen, so you're gonna just hold it up out of the way, or if you want to tie it up with something, you just want to move it out of the way so you can slide in back the radiator. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it in, guys. Okay guys, so slide the radiator in. This thing can be hard if you don't know what you're doing. Right at the side right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. This is split right here. You're gonna slide this radiator, the new radiator, in this slot here. Make it lock in, you know what I mean? The bolt hole gonna be lined up and stuff. Over this side, you're gonna make sure you have it locked down there. There's a stopping point down here. Just gonna stop it down there, guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead, catch the two bolts, and then we're gonna install the fan. Stuff like that, guys. Alright. Before we install the fan, we're gonna go ahead and catch back these hoses and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay guys, so I go ahead and reinstall both hoses there. Yeah, so we're gonna install the fan now. Make sure you put back these clips in the new radiator. You get this one from the old one, two of them. So the radiator gonna be, the fan gonna be sitting in these slots right here on both sides. Yeah, so this is the fan right here, guys. So you wanna set it like this, because this plug supposed to be over here. Yeah, so this plug supposed to be on this side, guys. So you just move it and slide it in, you know what I mean? It's easy, guys. Easy. So I'm gonna slide that in. So after I install the bolt here, I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall these wires, guys. Right. So this wire is here for the fan. Let's go ahead and reinstall that over here. Plug it on. Make sure it's tight. This one down here for the sensor. Go ahead and reinstall that. Plug it on. Okay. And then this wire now can go in this slot here. You guys can really see all that right here. Let's push the wire down in there. Just like that. Side here, get it in here. Okay guys, so pretty much actually finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I just put a little bit of grease in there and the seal. I wanna slide it on easily, you know what I mean? Just rock it down just like that. Just rock it all the way up on it, all the way up. Then lock the clamp right here. This other one here, I did go ahead and disconnect, so we're gonna slide it back up there. There's only clamp for it. Here's that clamp. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and put on the clamp on here. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this on, guys. See, I have a slot right there, just push that in. Push it up like this. Just like that, let me lock this. Just like that, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath the bottom of the car. Reinstall that one. Reinstall the air filter box here. And all that. This one here. Push this one on here. Push it in here. That's it. Pretty good up here, guys. So I have one more coolant line to install now at the bottom of the car. So now I'm underneath the bottom of the car. This is the coolant line I'm talking about. I'm gonna push this one up here. You guys can see that right there. Slide that in there. And then we're gonna bolt it. There is a bolt right on top. Right there. I'm gonna bolt it right there, guys. Make sure it's tight. Push it all the way in. And bolt it in, guys. Just like that. And then we have a 10 bolt to go here. I'm gonna bolt this here on the fan. Push this up here. And bolt it right there. Right there, 10 bolt gonna go, guys. Yep. Okay guys, so after I finish installing all that underneath the car, now we're gonna reinstall the gearbox. So there's two 10 bolt over here, guys. So let's put it on back like this here. Slide it in place. Get it back in the hose here and reinstall the mass airflow sensor and reinstall these two 10 volt over here. See them here? Alright. Okay guys, so I go ahead and reinstall the gearbox, and now we're gonna go ahead and start pouring some coolant. This is the coolant that I'm gonna use, about 2 bottles of this, so that should be good enough. Should be using a funnel so you don't have no coolant splash all over the place. Okay guys, so after I finish pouring the coolant, I'm gonna come back in the trunk and I'm gonna reinstall the battery, guys. Disconnect the negative terminal, you know what I mean? So whenever time you're gonna do that job, just disconnect the negative terminal. Okay. Reinstall it, guys. Here. Just like that. Lock it back. That's it. And then we're gonna go and bleed the system, guys. Okay guys, so now we're in the car. We're gonna go ahead and bleed the system, guys. So go ahead and install the key, switch the ignition on. Like all of the lights came on. Just switch on the ignition. Don't put your foot on the brake, okay? So now we're gonna come down here. You can turn off the radio and stuff because we're gonna need a lot of power. So turn the heater on and max here on both sides, and just make the fan stay on 1 bar. Go ahead and press the exhale and hold it down for like 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Water pump should be activated right now, guys. Let's go around here and look. Seats running soon. You hear that? So we need more coolant in there. Here the water pump activates, see it's spraying, guys. See that? It's bleeding right now. You can hear the air bubbles and stuff like that. Let's pour more in here. Alright, so we're gonna have it run and bleed for like, you hear that? You can hear the air coming out. I'm gonna have it running for like 8 minutes, guys. You wanna put a jump box on here because you don't want the battery to go die. So I'm gonna put on the jump box on here. Yep. Okay guys, so it's been like 8 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it up now and stuff like that, guys. So I have the jump box on there so you can keep charging the battery. I don't want the battery to go die in this process and stuff, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead now and start her up. Yes, guys. Yeah. coolant, so you definitely get burn off. So we're gonna watch it, guys, and make sure we don't have no leaks or nothing going on. You want to drive it aggressively, guy, whenever time you're doing a test, you know what I mean? Make sure everything good, no hose not leaking or nothing like that. Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's how you install a new radiator in your E90 BMW, guys. And guys, this video gonna apply to E90, E91, E92, E93. Same process, you know what I mean? So as you can see, guys, we take his forward spin and we don't have no overheating, nothing like that, no coolant leaking or nothing like that. Good like gold, you know what I mean? So guys, if you like this video, please go ahead, leave a like on the video. If you're new on this channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, guys, because you can see, guys, I have a lot of videos to come, you know what I mean? We have the E46 working on, we have a lot of stuff leave on that to do. I'm gonna put a cool intake ear on that ear filter, so we, you know, can develop some more horsepower and stuff on that, you know what I mean? So I have a lot of videos to come, guys, you know what I mean? So if you don't want to miss out on any future video, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell and press all, so whenever time I drop a video, you can be the first to update, okay? So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.